Ryan here for Silly Reviews. What we're looking at is a 2014 Can-Am Maverick. This fun off-roader has a bent axle, some damage to the suspension, and I'm going to ask you, how to repair that. I have no idea. How do you repair axle and suspension damage on the front passenger side of a 2014 Can-Am Maverick? Again, I have no idea. If you know how to fix it, leave a comment and let us know. I can show you some features on here to make this video a little longer. You can see here it's got the burp badging. You definitely want burp. It's got two pipe hose openings right there, and you can see on the inside it's got your PVCs, your PVCs. PVC, I think I heard somebody call them PVCs. Up at the top here, for all you audiophiles, we've got the looks like the 6x9 speaker leakers. Your toggle modules, you definitely have some toggle modules. Push button. Got your empty head resters right there. Certainly do. Take a look here on the driver's side. You've got your circular steering device and more speakers. Looks like we have a LED light, some type of LED light over there. Down here, you got your speed and your stop pressors right there. Footrest flooring right there. Over here, you got your gear notch lifter. Always good. Right here, that's where you insert your key. Right there, and another shift puller right there. Beverage compartmentalization right there. The darker of the pipage. Come around here to the front of the driver's side. Got your reflectalons right there, and this is it's a bumper gauge with a rope pulley. I guess that's about it. So if you're wondering how to repair frame damage and suspension damage on a 2014 Can-Am Maverick four-wheeler off-roader, I really can't help you. I'm Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thanks for watching.